guys, I'm back. This is your boy Odie, and today we have another brand new unboxing. And before anything else, guys, please subscribe on my channel and support my page. And I want to say thank you for our today's video sponsor, Mr. Simeon, my good friend. Thank you so much for sending me these earbuds. And just like the past unboxing that we did, I'm super excited. And let's do it! Yan po yung box. Galing po siya sa Amazon Prime. So, buksan po natin. So, ang laman po ng box sa loob is meron tayong bubble wrap. So, set aside natin to. Makikita po natin yung Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So, kunin natin. Tapon muna natin doon. So, ito po siya. Yan po yung front. Yan yung side. Yan yung top. Yan yung other side. Yan yung bottom. At yan yung back. So, maliit lang siya, guys. So, compare po natin siya sa AirPods Pro. Is mas maliit po yung packaging niya. At mas mapayat po yung packaging niya. So, kahit ganun na maliit yung box niya is pakiramdam niya is premium and heavy. So, ayan po siya. So, this is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. And it was released February 14, 2020. Along with their new flagship phone, which is the Samsung S20. The price of this Galaxy Buds is $150 USD. And they have available 3 color options: black, white, and blue. The features of this Galaxy Buds is 11 hours playtime, a two-way speaker for richer sound, triple mics for cleaner voice, and a QI compatible wireless charging. Okay. So ito guys, bubuksan na po natin. Wow. So yan po. So ito po, nabuksan na natin at meron tayong we have a manuals and paperworks. So ito po siya. Sige, lagyan lang po natin dyan. Iyan na po yung unit. Unahin po natin yung unit. Wow. Lagay po natin muna dyan. And there is a small box inside. So I'm curious kung anong laman. So let's open it. So meron po tayong charging cable. Meron po tayong extra ear tips and earbuds. Different sizes. So lagyan po muna natin dito. So ito pong Galaxy Buds Plus is supported siya sa iPhone or sa iOS. So you need to download the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in the App Store para maging supported siya ng iPhone. So yun po yung gagawin natin mamaya. So sa packaging niya, wala po tayong masabing bad. Although, wala po tayong power brick na kasama. So punta naman tayo sa unit. So makikita nyo guys is very portable siya. Wait, compare natin sa... Meron po ako dito na Apple AirPods. Yung first generation. So guys, kung nakikita nyo, ito po siya. So the size is a little bit bigger. And mas mataba po siya. And the weight is, para sa akin, mas mabigat yung AirPods from Apple. Ilagay muna natin to sa gilid. So yung kulay niya po is nice. Very shiny. Kung nababasa nyo guys, medyo hindi siya makita. Ito na lang. Kasi hindi makita kasi dark siya. So ayan na lang po. Na ito pong AirPods na to is associated or with collaboration with AKG, a well-established company for headphones. So also flip open, katulad din siya ng AirPods from Apple. And the quality is hard plastic. Sa likod niya, nandiyan po yung charging input. And then sa ilalim is may mga nakasulat po. Yung model number, box number, and this is made in Vietnam. Also, meron po siyang blinking LED light, siguro for connection. Shiny yung labas, and then sa loob is matte black. Ayan po. At label po siya ng left and right, so that hindi mo ma-interchange yung dalawa. So, ilabas po natin yung pods. So, ang napansin ko po is wala siyang physical buttons. So, kukunin ko po yung phone ko and try natin i-connect sa iPhone. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko na application na kailangan natin i-download. Ito po yung Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus para ma-open po natin siya or para mag-sync siya sa iPhone o sa iOS device. So, na-download ko na po. I-open po natin. So, ibalik po natin muna. Galaxy Buds Plus would like to use a Bluetooth. Okay. Start the journey. congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus. So dito po sa application, makikita po natin yung percentage ng battery charge ng Galaxy Buds and the charging case. So may bago tayong software ready to install. Sige, mamaya muna yan. So pwede po natin kontrolin yung ambient sound, pero naka-off po siya ngayon. Pwede natin i-turn on. So pwede siyang high and pwede siyang low, or pwede siya sa medium lang. So dito naman sa equalizer, meron tayong mga options. So pwede siyang normal, pwede siya sa bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. So meron siyang option about sa touchpad. So I'm guessing ito po yung control niya. So kailangan mo siyang i-tap to play or pause the track. And then double tap, play next track and answer or end call. Triple tap, play previous track. And touch and hold, it's a user choice po yun. Pwede mo siyang palitan in the setting. So pwede siyang decline. For now, it is decline call. And also, meron siyang find my earbuds. So susubukan na po natin guys. So try natin. So ito yung, okay. Ayan po. Kasya-kasya lang po siya sa tainga ko. So maririnig mo pag tinap mo, as magbibip siya. Pag tinap mo ng twice, magbibip ulit siya. Stop na natin. So my feedback about this Galaxy Buds Pro is I like it. I am very particular about headphones or headsets for the half price of AirPods Pro, and you get a cool looking buds, portable device, solid and good sound quality. So ano pa bang hahanapin mo? So that's it guys. Doon po nagtatapos ang ating unboxing. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to click the subscribe and comment if you have any question about this device. So stay healthy guys. Thank you and please subscribe. Salamat po.